Jessica? Now, Jessica. We're going on it. It is chucking it down. Things you do. The second time have we been on it?
Third, actually.
Second?
Third.
No, we haven't been on twice. 3 times. There you go. There's Mum over there. Here we go. Hands up in the air. Don't break. Hold on. Hey! Hope it doesn't break. Hold on, we're going. It's faster, isn't it? There's Mum. Hold on. We're going again. Hands up in the air. Like you just don't care. Hold on. We're both wet. It's by ear where it hurts. Yeah, watch your head. Let's go. So there. Crazy Caterpillar. This one's a bit more faster. He's not braking as much as he.
The floor we went on last time was really good.
Yeah.
It was in...
What? When we went to
Yeah.
Rill.
Yeah.
It's alright. There we go. Wave to Mum. Wet. Wet. Whee! It's going to break hard now, Jessica, so hold on. Oh, we're going to get... So there you go.